Good afternoon to all. Today, our class is regarding tenses. Already I told you a few in the class, but once again I repeat all of them. Before going to discuss these tenses, first of all of you have to know one thing, that is, as per the instruction given by our chairman sir, you need to do some courses in this field. So at that time, you need not work for English. You need not do any assignment for English. Understand? So what course you have to take up is go to Ellison, Alison, Ellison course. Already you worked with one of the courses earlier. What is the name of the course? Ellison. Ellison courses. Go directly into Ellison, sign up for free, sign up into Ellison course. Then you need to opt for when you open Ellison courses, you can find enroll yourself. After enrolling that, you give your email ID and also you give your username. So you do that procedure at first. After that, you find on the right side some important subjects. Some important subjects. You select one. You select languages. Go directly into languages and you select. You can find all languages available in Ellison and you click on English language. British flag you can find. You click on English language and you find all courses available in English language. You may find in the list diploma in English, basic English grammar. Diploma in basic English grammar. Okay, understand? Diploma in basic English grammar. In this, here you can find revised in 2017 also. Revised in Diploma in Basic English Grammar, revised in 2017. Okay, so you can find this course in Ellison. It won't take much time. You know all the rules and regulations, you know spelling, you know punctuation, you know how to listen to that, you know all the things. But listening to the material given by them is mandatory. So you can open and close so that there you can find green color symbol that you listen to the channel. You listen to the video what is given by them. So in that manner, am I audible? Am I audible? You all? Am I audible? Okay. Okay. So all of you are listening. So go into diploma in basic English grammar and complete 7 modules are there. 7 modules. Complete all the modules and write the final assessment. Write the final assessment. Okay. So you can find the assessment at the end. If you do well, you can work with one time. Otherwise, once again, you can go for, if you get less marks, once again, you can work with the final assessment. Okay. So once if you fail, then once you find the review in it, you can find the review on the right side. So you can find review in that. If you have any doubt at that time, already I worked with. I got 90% score in that. So if you want, you can call me and you can ask me. Okay. So all of you have to work with that. Actually, I told our HOD madam it may take 3 days. So if you do it in 1 hour also each and every word, if you want to listen to this, it will take 3 days time. You try to work for 1.5 hours per day. Okay? Otherwise, in 1.5 hours, if you are clever enough to complete that, you can complete within the span of time. Okay? So very good number of students. Today we have 45 students now. 45 students have joined. Actually, I told all of you it is mandatory as these live charts are all seen by our HOD madam and also chairman sir. Maybe she may send the link. She may send the link to them. Okay. So all of you have to come to the classes and try to understand because we don't know that we have once again these classes after holidays are not. Okay, if we complete the syllabus as soon as possible, we can study all those which are important for examination. Okay, right? Now I think you have got an idea on diploma in basic English grammar. So it is not that much difficult, and I say as well as it is not that much easy also. So you have known all the rules. That's why you can go with the final assessment. Okay, right. Shall we start tenses? Now and then I ask you some questions. After giving rules, I ask you some questions. All the 12 tenses today, I want to say. So all the 12 tenses. Okay. So keep concentration on my sentences and also the rules what I am sharing you now. Okay. Look at the first one. What is the first tense? We have three tenses: present, past, future. Present, past, future. So we discuss first simple present tense. We discuss first simple present tense. Do you know the structure of simple present tense? Structure is most important for each tense. Simple present tense structure. Okay, subject plus V1 plus object. Subject plus V1 plus object. We for V1 sometimes we may join yes, yes, IES. Yes, yes, IES based on the subject of the sentence. We join yes, yes, IES to make the verb singular. To make the verb singular, we join yes, yes, IES. Okay, what you are sending is right. Subject plus V1 plus object is the structure of simple present tense. When do we use this simple present tense? When shall we write the sentence in simple present tense? One is repeated actions. First one is repeated. If the action is going on regularly, means often. In such case, we write simple present tense. We write that action in simple present tense. All repeated actions, permanent truths. Permanent truths. For example, I live in Bhimavaram. It is a permanent truth. So I write, I live in Bhimavaram. He lives in Vijayawada. So we write, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. It is also a general truth, a known truth for all of us. And one more thing you have to remember, timetables. Timetables. In bus stops, railway stations, we find that the bus departs at 10 o'clock. The train arrives at 11 o'clock. Like that. Okay? Right. All one of you have given the example sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Below. Okay. So these are all repeated actions, permanent truths, and timetables. For all these, we need to write in simple present tense, simple present tense, and very easily you can find the time frame in the sentence. You can find the time frame in the sentence. All of you note down these time frame. You note down structure of the sentence. You You note down one example. Structure of the sentence, as all of you have given here, subject plus V1 plus object. That is the structure of the sentence and uses. This should be used with all repeated actions, permanent actions, and timetables. Okay, three uses. Keep in your mind all these three. Write the structure, write all these three, and also write the clue words. Keep your paper with you and write, note down all these. Okay, general truths or universal truths, whatever it may be. So those are all permanent truths. That may be the general truth or the universal truth. If it is permanent, then we can write it in simple present tense. Okay. Clue words. What are the clue words? Every week, every day, every Sunday, every month, regularly, often, sometimes, whenever, in summer, in morning, at night, usually, never, always. These are all the clue words. If you find any of the word in the sentence, then you need to write that in simple present tense. Okay, understand? Most of the students, nearly 60 students joined today. Very nice to see you, all of you here for listening this. If you know tenses, if you know subject verb agreement, then it will be very easier to frame the sentence. It will be very easier. If you know the structures, then it will be very easier to frame the sentences. That's why I ask you to come to these classes, as it is a great opportunity for all of you to develop your knowledge in this meantime, as all of you sit at home and very leisurely you can work for the content what you have known. Okay. So first tense is completed. First tense is completed. First one, simple present tense. Structure, in which case we need to use this simple present tense. And also what are the clue words? Clue words to simple present tense and example. So we cover all these four. First one structure, second one example, third one uses, fourth one clue words. For each tense, I say in this manner, you note down and if you want, I send this document to you in the Google Classroom also. What I'm saying that all four will be there. Maybe a few will not be there, but anyway, note down. It is important to uh, check once again. Okay, right. Quotes also. What Chiranjeevi has said is right. Once again, repeat the words. Once again, I repeat the words. Every day, every week, every month, with all everys. With all everys. If you find every means, that is in simple present tense. Okay? Every week, every month, every year, regularly, regularly. Okay. Nagaraj is saying usually. Usually, sometimes, sometimes, daily, daily, often, often, generally, generally, frequently, in mornings, in evenings, at night, always, 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 seldom. Seldom means rare. Seldom. Seldom means rare. Okay, understand the word, list of words, understand the list of words. These are very, very important for us to identify which is given in the examination. If a sentence is given in the examination based on the few words, we easily identify before understanding the sentence. At least we need not understand, try to understand the sentence. If we find the clue word, then easily we can fill up the blank with the concerned tense. Okay, seldom. Seldom means rare. Abruptly. Okay, shall we go to the second one? Present continuous. Present continuous. Okay, present continuous structure is subject plus verb plus ing. subject plus verb plus ing plus object. That is V4 plus object. V4 plus object. Subject plus V4 plus object, which means V4 means verb plus ing. Okay. What kind of actions we need to identify in present continuous? Activities that are happening now. Action which is going on at the time of speaking. An action which is going on at the time of speaking. Example, can anybody give example? Can anybody give example for present continuous? It is very easiest tense among all the tenses. Some people, if we observe people, they speak all the sentences in present continuous only. They don't know the other tenses. Just they use always in their language only present continuous. Only present continuous. Okay. He is eating chocolate. Okay. Right. Kaushik is giving an example. He is eating chocolate. The child is singing songs. So these are all. You are giving some examples for this sentence. So sentence structure is subject plus verb plus ing plus object. So I'm watching YouTube channel. I am waiting for it. Okay, right. These are all the examples. We have a lot of examples by all of you. Very nice. So we write at what time, in which condition we write present continuous is an activity is going on at the time of speaking. An activity is going on at the time of speaking. Okay, I am speaking English. It's right. So I am playing golf, I am speaking English, I am reading a novel. These are all the examples for this. Okay, clue words. Now clue words. Examples are over. Structure is over. Now write clue words. At what time we use this tense means at the time of speaking. Activities that are happening at the time of speaking. An action is going on at the time of speaking. Okay, understand? That is the use. And now find the clue words. Find the clue words. Now, now, nowadays, nowadays, these days, these days, at present, at present, at this moment, at this moment, moment, moment means this second, only this second, at present, at this moment, and some rare cases are there. Look, exclamatory mark. Look, exclamatory mark. Listen, exclamatory mark. See, exclamatory mark. Look, listen, see. This kind of words you find at the beginning of the sentence. Beginning of the sentence. Okay, most of you have given examples, and also a few of you have typed what are the important words, so that when we watch once again this video, we can find all these in live chat, so that it will be easier. If anybody help me in doing so, it will be very nice for all of you. Means those who want to watch later. Okay. So many more examples, and also the words what I told you are given by your friends. So when you want to refer this video once again, you may use this chat also. Okay. Now, shall we move on to the third one? Present perfect. Present perfect tense. Present perfect. What is the structure for present perfect? Subject plus has or have. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Has or have plus V3 plus object. Okay. Exclamatory mark. Why? Exclamatory mark. Listen. Listen. Exclamatory mark. That kind of words, not your names. Okay. Exclamatory mark. Before exclamatory mark, you need to write look, listen, that kind of words. Look, listen, see. Words of perception. Okay, understand? And now come to the structure. Present perfect. Present perfect. Subject plus, has or have plus. Not be, not be. Jagdish, been. Been is present perfect continuous. Subject plus, has or have plus, V3 plus object. V3 plus object. Okay. So this is the structure for this. At what time we need to use? What is the time frame and at what time? Any example? Any example for the sentence? Any example for the sentence for this structure? Any example? You have given. You have given the structure. Now, can I expect an example from you? Any example? She has known me. She has known me for a long time. She has known me. I have already seen the movie. Very good. I have done my job. Very good. Very nice examples. Very nice examples. He had not had Chendu. Had. It is in past tense. Past perfect. Okay. So don't go for past perfect. Now we are in present perfect. Present perfect. He has gone out. Right. I have read a book. I have written a letter to him. Okay, very good. Very nice example. So you understand the structure. And now at what time we need to. Activities that started in the past and still continuing, activities which were started in the past and still continuing. In such case, we write this. Okay? In such case, we write this. Experience that happened in the past. Okay? So we can write for them also. Experience that happened in the past, but the effects are important now. So in such case also we can. She has been to London. She has been to London. So this is also here verb is been only. She has been to London. He has been ill. He has been ill. Okay. So these also you can keep in your mind. Activities that have a present result also. Activities that have a present result. Means the bus hasn't arrived at. The bus hasn't arrived at. Inka Raledu. The bus hasn't arrived at. Okay, understand? Understand the examples. The uses, first of all, action started in the present and at the time of speaking, action is going on. So next, very important use is present result. If we want to concentrate on present result, what was going on, what is going on at that time. So the bus hasn't arrived at. Find the clue words now. Clue words. Yet, 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 till, till, till now, since, till now, since, for, recently, recently, already, recently, already, just, just now, till now, never, ever, also sometimes, never, ever. This, this, this month, this year, this month, this year, this month, this year, not this time. Okay? This month, this year. Since plus time, for plus time, this month, this year, recently, already, till now, just all will come into present perfect. Okay? Okay? Next. Shall we go to fourth one? Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Events that began at a point of time. Events that began at a point of time and continuing now and will probably continue in the future. Probably continue in the future. So something future also. That kind of actions should be said in present perfect continuous. Structure is what is the structure? Okay, right. Hemant is given the structure. Subject plus has been or have been plus verb which form? Verb fourth form. Verb plus ing. Verb plus ing plus object. Very good. All of you are following. All of you are following well. So this is about present perfect continuous. Clue words. Example. Any example sentence? Any example sentence? I have been playing caroms. Caroms since 12:30. I have been playing caroms since 12:30. Okay. I have been reading the newspaper. Time is not mentioned. Siva, since plus time or for plus time. Since plus point of time, for plus period of time. Since 12:30 or for 2 hours. Since 12:30 or for 2 hours. So any time you may mention. So time is also most important. Since 2007 is also a good time expression. Since 2007, since 2 p.m. for 20 minutes, very good. Since 10:30, so what all of you are sending are absolutely right. So you understand the matter. For plus time, since plus time is most important for this kind of structure, so you need to mention time. Okay, shall we go to the next tense? Past tense. Past tense. Shall we go to the next one? Simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. What is the structure of simple past tense? Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. Okay, all of you are following. All repeated actions will come into past repeated actions, not present. Present repeated actions will go into present, simple present tense. Past repeated actions. We worked in Hyderabad last week. We worked in Hyderabad means repeatedly worked continuously, worked together in Hyderabad last week. We worked together in Hyderabad last week. Okay, I received a letter yesterday. So Nagaraju has given a very good example for this. So yesterday is a clue word. So an action completed in the past tense or repeated actions in the past tense will be given in simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. If we want to say more actions, we can use more verbs of that kind in the sentence. For example, he took off his coat and went to the washroom. He took off his coat and went to the washroom. Two verbs we can use in one sentence. Together we can use, otherwise individually we can use in the sentence. So structure is subject plus V2 plus object. And what kind of uses we have with this means all repeated actions and also the action which was completed earlier, we can mention them in simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. What are the clue words? Clue words. Yesterday, day before yesterday, yesterday, day before yesterday, last week, last Sunday, last month with any last. Yesterday, last are very important in the examination point of view, and one more is ago. Ago. Okay. So, shall I give you a sentence? Shall I give you a sentence? I dash Can you fill in the blank? Can you fill in the blank? Okay, very good. All of you are giving the clue words here. Clue words. Ago also. Ago. Answer is, did I mention any time in the sentence? Did I mention any time in the sentence? So, look at the sentence once again. I dash go to the movie. Can't we say I go to the movie? Can't we say I go to the movie? Can't we say I go to the movie? I have gone to the movie, so we can say anything. If nothing is mentioned means, if nothing is mentioned in the sentence means, we need to write that in only simple present tense. We need to write that in simple present tense. Okay? Try to understand. In the blank, we can fill up with only simple present tense, not with simple past tense. If I give, I go to movie yesterday. I dash go to movie. Now your answer is right. Now your answer, whatever you wrote earlier, is right. Not for the earlier sentence. I did not mention any time in the earlier sentence. Now your answer is right. So be very careful with the sentences without having time frames. So if that particular time frame is not given, you need to mention simple present tense. Otherwise, in the concerned time given in the sentence. Okay. Shall we go to the next one? Is it clear now? Simple past tense, past continuous. Now come to past continuous. Past continuous. Structure for past continuous. Structure for past continuous. A few of you are going, I don't know that their line is busy or they are sleeping. Okay. Right? Past continuous tense. Past continuous. Okay. Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V form plus V4 verb plus ing plus object. Subject plus V form plus V4 plus object. Twinkle twinkle, it is right. Lokesh also. Lokesh. V form. Those V forms are was, are, were. Sriram is giving. Was, are, were. Okay, very good structure. So, what kind of, in which case we write the tenses in past continuous? In which case the action started before and another action in the past and continued after it. That kind of actions. So here you think of two actions. In past continuous, all subdivided past. In all subdivided past tense, two actions are taking place. Two actions are taking place. So it started, and at the time of speaking in the past, that was continuing. Okay. Any example? Any example? Clue words are when, while. When, while are the clue words. When, while are the clue words. Let me give an example. Let me give a sentence here. I dash see within brackets see an accident while I go to college. Okay. Look at this sentence. I dash see an accident while I dash to college. Answer is, answer is, answer is I. Look at the question given to you. Look at the question given to you. Clue words are why, what, when. Why, when are the clue words. Why and when are the clue words. Answer my question. Answer my question. Answer me. I saw an accident while I was going to college. I saw an accident while I was going to college. Very good. All of you are answering. Very good sign that you understand. Okay. So what are the clue words? What are the clue words? Clue words. Clue words for this past continuous. Clue words for the past continuous. Can you give clue words for the past continuous? Already I told you. Those clue words are when and while. When and while. While is the best example for this than when. So when, while. Okay, clue words, very good. And now come to the next one. Past perfect. Past perfect. Here also you can find two actions. Two actions. So you find two clauses in the sentence. Two clauses in the sentence. First action, second action, you need to know this. First action, second action. First action should be in past perfect. Keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. It is very, very important. This tense is very important in the examination point of view. All the first four present tense are very important. Past tense, rather past continuous, past perfect is very important in past tense. Okay, subject plus, had plus, V3 plus object is the structure of the sentence. Very good, very good. Subject plus, had plus, V3 plus object. So this is the structure for this tense, past perfect tense. So we mentioned here two classes, first completed action and next completed action. Anyway, both the actions are completed actions as it is past tense. First completed action should be in past perfect and the other action should be in past perfect, simple past tense. Simple past tense. Any example sentence? Any example sentence? Otherwise, I give you. I dash within brackets eat breakfast after is a clue word. After I dash within brackets brush my teeth. Clue words are after, before, before, teeth. Clue words are after, before, what? After, before, what? Always keep in your mind, first action should be in present perfect. If two actions have taken place means first action should be in past perfect. Answer my question. Answer is I ate after I had brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. Okay, right. You are right. So which action is first? Which one took place first? Which action took place first in these two? Which action took place first? Brushing is the first action. After that, eating. First action, brush. Next action, eat. So first action always in present. Present, perfect. One more sentence. I dash thank. I dash thank for what he dash within brackets do. Answer me. Answer me now. I dash thank for what he dash do. First action in past perfect. First action in past perfect and next action in simple past. Okay. Wasim, once again, think of the sentence. What is the first action? What is the first action? Okay, Prasanna, right. Kaushik, right. Mohan Priya, once again, review yourself. Why has comes? Why has comes once again instead of had? Okay. Kamesh also, once look at your answer. I thanked him for what he had done. I thanked him for what he had done. He did something earlier, and for that I thanked him. I thanked him for what he had done. Okay? Understand? Okay, right, very good. So all of you are following. So first action, and here you can keep a formula in your mind. For this, you can keep a formula in your mind. Before plus simple past tense. Always before plus simple past tense. Before plus simple past tense. After plus past perfect. Okay, these two are the rules. You need not check that. You need not check that action took place earlier, first action, second action. In exam tension, maybe you may not find it is first action or second action. So you can follow this formula. Before plus simple past tense always. You can check with the example sentences also. You can check. I send it into our group in Google Classroom. Number of tenses exercises so that you can check with those sentences. Before plus simple past tense, after plus past perfect. Okay, keep in your mind before plus always after before in the blank you can find simple past tense. Always after the blank. If you find blank after, then in that blank you need to write past perfect. Okay, right. Shall we move on to the next one? Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Structure is subject plus past perfect continuous, subject plus had been plus subject plus had been plus V4, verb plus ing, subject plus have been plus verb plus ing, verb plus ing. Okay, very good. Had been plus V4 plus object. Clue words, same clue words for this also, like the present perfect continuous. For past perfect continuous also, same clue words. Two actions took place, two actions took place here also. In all past tense you can find two actions except simple present, simple past tense. In the other tenses you can find two actions. Two actions. Clue words for this: since plus time, for plus time. I give you a sentence so that you could understand easily. I dash Find. Since 2019. I dash find since 2019. What's a known fact? Look at the sentence now. I dash, I dash, within brackets, finding since 2019 for the known fact. He had been. Individually, we don't write. Pranit. Individually, we don't write. He had been. Where is the past tense? Two tenses I told you. Understand? Two tenses I told you to write here. Okay. Watching a movie? Right. So had been here, had been, had been fine. Okay. He had been cutting the grass. He had been cutting the grass. One more sentence. He had been cutting the grass all morning. I I noticed. I noticed. Okay, understand? I dash one more sentence and one more sentence. Look at the sentence. Look at the sentence now. Answer. I dash noticed that he dash worked in VIT for 3 years. For 3 years. Understand the sentence? Understand? I dash notice that he dash work in VIT for 3 years. Okay, answering noticed had why had work present past perfect continuous past perfect continuous fine had been working noticed had been working right it is right now all of you are right now come to future tense okay last tense future tense future simple future tense okay right very good all of you are following so two tenses are over with this now future tense we use future tense for general instructions predictions general instructions predictions okay if we want to take a decision also we can say that in simple future tense what is the structure of simple future tense structure of simple future tense what is the structure very good Kaushik subject plus will or shall plus v1 plus object always verb first form only with all future keywords of all future key will shall can could may might look for all these will would shall should can could may might plus v1 when we use any of these future auxiliaries we use v1 form only okay understand okay subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. Any example for this? Any example for this? Any example for this? I dash I dash within brackets speak English tomorrow. Speak English tomorrow onwards. I dash speak English tomorrow onwards. Okay. Planned action sometimes may go into simple present tense. Otherwise, we write it simple present, simple future tense. Okay. I'll write a letter. I will write a letter tomorrow. Lokesh, I will write a letter tomorrow. With I and we use shall. For the other pronouns, we use will. Only for I and we use shall. And for the other pronouns, we use will. Only restriction is I and we. First person both singular and also plural. We use shall. We use only shall. And for other pronouns, we use will. Understand? Okay. I shall go home. Go home. So I'll write a letter. I'll write assignment tomorrow. Very good. I shall write assignment tomorrow. Change. A slight change. I shall. With first person, both singular and plural, we use shall. And with other persons, we use will. Okay. Okay. Very good examples are all given here. So clue words tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, like that. Tomorrow, next day, next week, next day, next week. Okay. So these are the clue words. Tomorrow, next day, next week. With any next we use simple future tense. Simple future tense. Next, future continuous. Future continuous. Future continuous. Actions which will be in progress. At what time we write this particular tense means actions which will be in progress in future. Actions which will be in progress. A very important uh, sentence we find here. I dash within brackets go to buy a car. This is the sentence. This also will come into future continuous. These kind of sentences also will come into future continuous. Look at this sentence. Regular future, you all of you have known. Regular future continuous, you all of you have known. Okay. So future continuous, subject plus will be or shall be plus V4 plus object. But now look at this sentence, what I have given here. Example, example, I. This also will come into future continuous. No, 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 no. Look at the sentence. Look at the answer. Look at the answer. Wait, wait. Look at the answer now. Look at the answer for what I have given. I'm going to buy a car. I'm going to buy a car. Your answer is wrong. In the examinations, in the placement examinations, we find these type of sentences. So I'm going to buy a car. If you find this kind of sentences also, you need to write them. Actually, it seems present continuous, but it comes into future continuous. Okay? It seems present continuous, but it comes into future continuous. I'm going to buy a car. I'm going to buy a car. Okay? So this is somewhat rare case and also which is very important in the examination point of view for future continuous. Other than this, other sentences are not important in the examination point of view. So future perfect continuous, future continuous are not important. I did not see sentences in the examinations from these tenses. Okay, time up quickly. Understand? Okay, so understand the sentence. Okay, right. Come to future perfect. It is also most important in the examination point of view. All subdivided present tense are important. Past tense is important. Past perfect is important. Past perfect and also past continuous. Then simple future, future perfect. Other tenses are not important. Other tenses are not important. Okay, future perfect. Future perfect. So in future, we plan that perfectly this will be completed. So that particular action has will have completed in the future. So that kind of things will come into this particular one. Okay, future perfect structure. Okay, Nagaraju is giving future perfect subject plus shall, shall have plus shall have or will have plus V3. Shall have or will have plus V3 plus object. Very good. This is the structure of the sentence. Shall have or will have. Shall with I and we, and with the other pronouns like he, she, it, they, you. For all these we use second person and third person we use will. Okay, right, that is the structure. Any example? Clue words I give you so that easily you could understand. Clue words. Just join by before the clue words what I told you for simple past, simple future tense. Just by plus future time. By tomorrow, by next June, by next December. So by plus future time is important for future perfect tense. By plus future time. Very good. All of you are here with me. I don't mind the students oscillating today in the class. 60 students, 60 students come to the class, 60, 63 students. A few went away, but most of you are here with me. I find you the number of students. So very good, very nice response. Okay, let other people go to help, but at least the students, those who are studying, can come to these classes. Okay, understand this future perfect. Can I give you a sentence? Can I give you a sentence? Clue words are clue words by plus future time. I dash within brackets complete, within brackets complete my BTech first year by next June. Okay, right? Look at the sentence. I dash complete my BTech first year by next June. By plus future time. By plus future time. Okay. So surely you complete your first year by next June. Answer. Answer is I. I shall have completed BTech first year by next June. Okay. By plus future time. By plus future time is most important. So the answer is will have completed. So will have completed, shall have completed. So these are use shall. Better use shall. Okay. Future perfect continuous. Shall we move on to future perfect continuous? Understand the clue word for future perfect. Understand the clue word by plus future time. By plus any future time we can use in future perfect. Okay. So the same by plus future time with since plus time for plus time again. Future perfect continuous means since plus time, for plus time, and also by plus future time. Both of them are needed. Both of them are needed. Look at the sentence. Look at this sentence so that you could understand easily. And this is not important in the examination point of view. It is not that much important in the examination point of view. So work with the other tenses. Once again, I am saying that simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, simple future tense, future perfect are important. Other tenses, other four, you need not work with. You need not work with. Okay. So if you work with all these, if you have any doubt, you can call me. Otherwise, once again, you watch this video whenever you find time. Surely uh, you can clarify your doubts. Otherwise, you can call me. Okay, understand? So 1 hour we have taken. I think you understand well all these rules and regulations to write the tenses. If you know all these rules, you never commit any mistake in speaking. So how subject and verb agreement is important for a student as well as this tenses also. So very important to speak English. Okay. Shall we move on to the next session? Vocabulary after break. After 15 minutes of break. Is it enough? Otherwise half an hour. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Break is enough. As all of you anyway will not come into vocabulary class, others can take rest, and those who are working, those who are avoiding their personal comforts can come into vocabulary class. Only those who are working with the classes. Earlier we completed 3 vocabulary classes, half an hour, half an hour. So all of you are saying that half an hour, after half an hour. Now the time is one. Time is 2 o'clock. Is it 3? 3 o'clock. So we come back once again at 3:30. Okay. Bye. Bye. Okay. At what time you want to come? 3:30. 3:30. 3:30.